All right, we're going to check out the assignment over expressions. If you are lost, if you're having troubles, you really got to go watch this video because I try and do a really calculated approach to telling you how to do this stuff. So let's get busy. Number one is right here. Determine whether the expressions are equivalent. Then explain your reasoning. So, expression number one, 3 minus 5x. That thing has no like terms. So that means it is simplified. Okay? This one, however, this guy and this guy are like terms. In fact, they're opposites of each other, like 4.25 minus 4.25 would cancel each other out, leaving us with just negative 5x. So no, these are not equivalent because expression number one is not the same as expression number two. Right, number two. This top one, oh look, we have not common terms, we have like terms. 1.25x plus 0.75x, that's 2x. 4 minus 3, that would end up being positive 1. This is what expression number one simplifies to, and oh my goodness, that is the same as expression number two. So yes, they are equivalent because expression one is the same as expression two. Okay? So right here, it says circle individual terms and then combine like terms. I mean, okay, we can do that. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. And that's the only time we do that on this assignment. I'm actually going to erase that now because I don't want to have it on my paper anymore. But there they are. Those were the individual terms. Now we're going to combine like terms. So let's zoom in here. 3z and 4z. That's 7z. 4 and 2, that's just 6. That first one, number 3, hopefully you found that very easy. This next one, there's negative x, and then he doesn't have another friend. There's negative 9x squared. Oh, look, here's a 12x squared. We can combine those to get 3x squared. And then check this out, 7 doesn't have any friends either. So here is our answer for number 4. Number 5 might give you like nightmares, but hang on. There's 1/2 s, just an s, right? Look, here's just an s. Negative 4, I don't see anybody. Oh, that guy's the same as him. And then last but not least, we have s cubed. So here's what I'm going to do. I didn't talk about this, but the way that you're supposed to write these is the guy with the biggest exponent, the highest degree we call it, he gets written first. That's why I wrote 3x squared first there. There's that. And then now we need to combine this guy and this guy. So let's do that. 1/2 plus 3/4. You've got two options. You can either find a common denominator or you can do decimals. So if I do decimals, this is 0.5 plus 0.75, and that's 1.25. Okay? So you could do this plus 1.25s. No one's going to be mad at that. But if you do common denominators, you have 1/2 plus 3/4. You are going to multiply this guy by 2/2 to get 2/4 plus 3/4. That's 5/4. So we could have this. Whoa. We could have this. Copy that right here. Plus 5/4 s. My 5 and my S kind of look alike. Let's make my 5 a little crisper. 5. There we go. And then now, -4 and 1/8. You kind of have the same situation here. -4 plus 1/8. You can either do -4 plus 0.125. And if you did that, you would get -3.875. Just trust me, that's what that would be. Or, like I said, common denominator, you would have -4 over 1 plus 1 over 8. Well, guess what? This multiplied by 8 over 8 to get -32/8 plus 1/8, which would be -31/8. Fun, huh? -31/8. These are both the correct answers. If you want to rewrite them in different ways, be my guest. Number 6, 12G plus 9G. Those are like terms. That's just 21G. Dude, that one's done. That was easy. Number 7, 4B. And as I was going to try and read the rest, I don't see any other B's. So guess what? It's 4B. And then -24 plus 19. That's -5. 8. 6.2. Those are like terms because they're both constants. Don't know what a constant is? You should go check that out. 8 plus 6.2 is 14.2. 4A, 9A. That's -5A. Now, when it comes to this last one, I'm going to pause and let you read it. My answer is no, my friend is wrong, because this is not 5. It should be -5 because of that right there. This is not 2x. It should be -2x. And then the like terms wouldn't be that. It would be -2x. So this, so it says explain your reasoning. There's my reasoning. I think y'all should just, literally, when you see my answer sheet, it's going to look just like that. I just kind of circle this, and write what they should be. So, hopefully you didn't find this too terribly difficult. If you did, maybe you need to focus and check this out, and maybe you should ask me some questions. See you later.